Welcome to the big day. After months of hard work, this massive cargo ship is finally ready to meet the ocean for the first time. You can see the celebration at the shipyard. Balloons, flags, and a crowd of people waiting for the magic moment. Look at the size of this beast. This is a container ship designed to carry everything from electronics to clothes across the world. See those small red vehicles? Those are specialized forklifts and heavy movers. And there she goes. This is called a launch. It's a delicate process where gravity and clever engineering work together to slide thousands of tons of steel into the water. It looks slow, but there is an incredible amount of power behind that movement. As the stern, the back of the ship, hits the water, the buoyancy takes over. It's a huge relief for the engineers. You can see the water churning as the ship finally becomes afloat, leaving its birthplace behind. Now that she's in the water, tugboats will take over to guide her to a finishing dock. She'll get her final engine tests and interior work done before heading out to the open sea. It's the start of a long journey around the globe.